Okay, we're moving on to division of polynomials and the remainder and factor theorems. So last time we talked about how to graph polynomials, right? And I told you to find the x-intercepts. You should always just go to the calculator first and see what they are. Now we're going to start getting tools on how to find the x-intercepts by hand. That's not going to be made clear to you until next time, but we're going to have to get this tool first. And the tool that you'll need is called synthetic division. But before we can get to synthetic division, we're going to go talk about long division. You remember how to divide just numbers using long division? It's going to be very similar, but we're going to divide polynomials. So if you've never seen it, here we go. Okay, use long division to divide 4x cubed minus 23x plus 23 by 2x minus 5. So I'm going to rewrite 4x cubed. Okay, do you see that there's an x cubed and there's no x squared? If there's not an x squared term, you need to put a placeholder, and you do that by putting 0x squared there. Minus 23x plus 23. And you want to divide that by 2x minus 5. So again, if there's not an x squared term, you've got to put a placeholder there and say 0x squared. All right, first step, you're going to say 4x cubed divided by 2x is what? So if you need to go over to the side and say 4x cubed divided by 2x, what do you get? 2x squared? Okay, that's the number that's going to go up here, 2x squared. Okay, over to the side, I'm going to say now 2x squared, that's what's up top, times 2x minus 5. Go distribute that. 2x squared times 2x gives me 4x cubed. 2x squared times negative 5 gives me negative 10x squared. Everybody follow? Okay, I'm going to subtract those, which means I have to change the sign. That goes to a minus, this goes to a plus. Once you do that, 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is gone. 0x squared plus 10x squared is 10x squared. And bring down the minus 23x plus 23. Now play the game again. This time, what is 10x squared divided by 2x? So 10x squared over 2x gives you 5x. So I'm going to put plus 5x up top. What do I want to do with that 5x? Multiply it by 2x minus 5. Go distribute, and you get 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5x times negative 5 is negative 25x. Now you want to subtract. So if I subtract, I need to go change all the signs. Minus, plus. 10x squared minus 10x squared is gone. Negative 23x plus 25x is 2x. Drop down the plus 23. We've got to play the game again. What is 2x divided by 2x? 1. So I put plus 1 up top. What do I do with the 1? I need to multiply it by 2x minus 5. Go distribute. And you get 2x minus 5. When I subtract, so change the signs, minus and a plus, The 2x minus 2x is gone. 23 plus 5 is 28. Okay, my answer is going to be 2x squared plus 5x plus 1 plus 28 over 2x minus 5. This is my answer. Okay, vocabulary, the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. Going back up here, there's the divisor, there's the dividend, there's the quotient, there's the remainder. Am I going to test you on vocabulary? No. But know that that's what those things are called. Okay, I want you to go do another long division problem. Okay, here we go. 3x squared minus 14x plus 5 divided by x minus 3. First step, 3x squared divided by x is, oh, plus 15, thank you. That would have been bad. Okay, 3x squared divided by x is 3x. Take 3x times x minus 3. When you distribute, you get 3x squared minus 9x. Now subtract. So that becomes a minus, that becomes a plus. These are gone. Negative 14x plus 9x is negative 5x plus 15. Bring it down. Yes? You change the sign on all of it. So the minus, when you're doing minus 3x squared minus 9x, you see that you're going to have a negative 3x squared plus a 9x, and that's here and here. So I just always go say, change the sign on everything that you just wrote down. Good question. Okay, next one. Negative 5x divided by x. Just negative 5. So put negative 5 up here. Do negative 5 times x minus 3. When you distribute, you get negative 5x plus 15. Go change the signs. Plus, minus. What happens? What's your remainder? 0. So what's your answer? 3x minus 5. Now I'm going to show you something real quick. If I were to do it this way, just watch. 3 times 3 is 9, negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, 0, that's my remainder. So my answer is 3x minus 5. Is that kind of cool? So which way is easier, long division or this new way that I just did over here to the side? How did I do that? All right, let me do a new recording and I'll show you.